Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am back with the Born Pretty, let's see, what is this called? It is called the Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel. I guess it's supposed to be like a rainbow when you put the magnet to it. So I do have a Born Pretty referral code that is in my description box, and I believe it's a 10% off code, which I believe is Ms. Sandy, MRZSANDY. Actually, I'll just put it right here on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead. I haven't tried these yet. I actually just got them today in the mail. So I got a pop stick here. Oh, it looks like it's split right there, but that's okay. We're just using this as, so these two came together. I got the white, I believe this is white, or jade white. Here is the number, the SKU number, so BWH28, and then here's this one, 53779, and I'm just going to go ahead. This kind of looks like, I don't know, a tannish, pinkish white. It's really pretty though. I like the color. So, here is how the color looks. It's kind of like an off-white. It's not a bright white. It's really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead, cure this, and I will be right back. Okay, so it's all cured, and it doesn't even feel sticky, so I guess it's not really that sticky. So here's the cat eye gel, I should say. So it looks really holographic. So I'm trying to make a nice even coat over it. Here's how it looks before I put the magnet on it. So I'm just going to go ahead, get my magnet. So here's how it looks with the line, but I'm going to try, you know what, I'm going to go back over it real quick just to kind of smooth it all back out. A little hair that's driving me nuts. And I'm actually going to use my circle end. So you can move it around. I think this will be really pretty for like, what's it called? Unicorn nails. Oops. It almost looks like kind of like a rainbow right there. So you can also make it, I guess you could do like a rainbow across it. Put some clouds, maybe a cupid, or that would look really cute. So let's see. Let's push this all up to be a rainbow. I touched it. I got too close. That was my fault. So you don't need to get that close. I just always do that. Don't know why. I just do. Okay, so I'm curing that. I also have these that make a whole bunch of different designs. I have a bunch of these. So I'm using this one. It kind of makes the design like it shows right here. So I also have a pop stick. I did half white, half black, just so we could see what it looks like even over the black. So as you see, Hollow looks beautiful over black. I always thought Hollow looked really pretty over black and like a royal and navy blue, because it just really makes it pop. So here's how it looks over like a white and the black. Oh wow, the black is just gorgeous. Here, maybe it'd be better if we just... So you got that rainbow there. Or you could just do like the cat eye with the straight magnet across, which is so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, cure this. Okay, and here's how this one came out. That is the one I used with this like line, almost like kind of like a leaf. As you see, oh no, I did it that way. So the lines is where the glitter will be. This is really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and leave everything down in the description box below. And you could just get one. You could buy, I think I'm in sets, like where it comes with a color and the gel. And then they just have really beautiful gel polishes too. The whole Born Pretty line is really nice. And then before I go, I'm just going to show you the Born Pretty plates I'm going to be using next. So check out that video. I also have a couple other new ones. And here's a couple other plates I just received. I was going to use this for Valentine's Day this year, but maybe for next year's Sweetest Day. Really beautiful. Can't wait to use this one. This is Valentine's Day L001. I think it's so cute with the magnet. So you could do the one nail like this, and then the nail next to it with that. And then you could just do all the other nails with this like swirl. Or love going down the thumb. Different colored hearts or just stamped like that. A rose over red polish is always beautiful. Maybe with some of these like galaxy stars, I call them. Cute like little bubble balloons. Just really cute plate. You don't have to use it for Valentine's Day. Hearts work all times a year. And then I thought this was really cute. This is the Artis L019. And it's kind of like a thumbprint or a fingerprint kind of designs. Thought was really cute with like animals and paw prints, trees. Something different. Love this. I think this would look good for maybe like a beach mani. Like feet walking maybe in the sand, and then you got some like seashell maybe charms on there. Yeah, really cute. We even got some fish there. So yeah. And what was this one again? The Artist L018 plate. So again, I'm going to be using that next. I'm going to be doing a video. So yeah, they got some really good plates. Check out the polishes, plates, all that. Never had no issues with it. Born Pretty plates, really good like quality. And then just before we go, I just want to show you how that looks. All cured. Don't mind my dirty undernail. I constantly like grind under them with my electric e-file, but yeah, they just get really dirty. So I don't have my alcohol next to me, so I'm just going to wet this with a little bit of acetone and wipe it. But look at how pretty that is. I really like it over the black. Even put some like hollow stickers or some like butterflies. Really pretty. Maybe stamp some butterflies in white if the whole nail was black. But yeah, really cute. Really pretty hollow magnetic gel polish. I honestly thought, I don't know why it was going to be more like just a rainbow, but I'm still loving it. Tell me what you guys think. Hope you like this quick little review. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Really helps me and my channel out. I really appreciate it more than you know. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your day. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.